Hey everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you're highly welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great way to improve your sight, to improve your eye. Are you actually having that itchiness sensation, or you're actually having redness of eye and all of that stuff? Yeah, I have a very simple remedy that would help you to get rid of the redness, that will help you to improve your eyesight. So if you want to know what all this ingredient comprises, please stay put, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, share, and let me take you right into this video. Now this is actually going to help you to forget your eyeglass in the house. Like, forget your eyeglass. With this remedy, you're not going to be remembering you even have an eyeglass. Okay, because this is actually going to remove all of those itchiness, all of those redness, and all of those things that is actually making your eye not bright. Yeah, this is red onion. Okay, now red onion is actually better for this, guys, because it's actually very effective. So after preparing your onion just like this, yeah, you would have to be washing it. Okay, I'm actually showing you this because I know some of you guys might not wash it. You need to wash it because you don't need to take any other bacteria into your body. Yeah, so after washing it, then you can cut it in pieces. Now there are two ways of doing this, yeah, and I'll be delighted to show you the two ways in which you are going to be achieving this. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you the first way, and I'll equally be showing you the second way. Yeah, so you cut your onion, put it in a small blender. Okay, you keep that aside, and then we're equally going to be needing garlic. Now garlic is actually very good for so many things. It's good for the sight, it's good for the heart, it's good for cold, flu, and catarrh. Okay, so in case you do not know how to peel garlic, what you do is to beat it. Okay, so this is it, and you're going to be adding 2 cloves of garlic in case you are drinking it all, but if you're not drinking it all, add 4 in case you're going to be storing it. So that's just the difference. If you're storing it, then you add 4. If you're not storing it, you just add 2. Then you add water. After you add water, you can blend it, or if you can be able to blend it without adding water, it's really perfect. Okay guys, so this is it, and what you do now is that we're gonna be keeping this aside for a little while, and then we'll prepare the second method. So for the second method, you're going to take a little the second method is the one you can just make and take all. So you have to cut it in little pieces, very tiny pieces.
Look at me.
So you're equally going to be taking one piece of garlic cloves, and then you cut it in little tiny pieces. Okay, so after cutting that, you mix that up, put it into a small bowl, and then we keep that aside. Okay guys, so let's first of all deal with this one. So what I'm going to do is to put in the juice in here and strain out the juice. Okay, and then the next ingredient, which is very important, is honey. Honey is very much needed in this. Okay, when you need this ingredient to work really well, you might skip honey or you might just put honey. If you are doing it in this liquid form, you might not necessarily put honey, but I'm gonna be using honey just so that you see that you can equally put a little bit of honey, and then you stir up your juice. And this is what you get. Yeah, this is what you're gonna get. Okay, so you drink this at least 3 times in a week, and your eye problem is gonna go away. This is how it looks like, yeah, from the inside, and this is how it tastes. Okay, so for this second one, what you do is that you equally put in the honey. The honey is actually very important for this particular one, since you're gonna be taking this one raw like that. Okay, so what you do is that you mix this all up together. And then you eat this every morning for the space of 2 weeks. Okay, but for this particular one, you can drink it at most 3 times a day, 3 times a week, continuously till your eye problems are gone. I'm going to be showing you the third ingredient, which would have been plantain, but how you're going to do this, I'm going to be showing you in another video, guys. Okay, so but for this particular one, you can do this, and then you would drink it. And for this particular one, the spoon, you eat it every day for 2 weeks, and your eye problem is gone, guys. Trust me, just try this out and you're gonna be loving it. Okay guys, so drink this as often as I've told you, and your eyesight is gonna be improved and you are gonna be good. Yeah, So if you do find this video interesting, please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.